Are you curious how steam, steel, and smog reshaped our world? The Industrial Revolution wasn't just progress, it was chaos and creativity on a massive scale. Let's hop into the past. The Industrial Revolution kicked off in Britain in the late 1700s. Suddenly, inventions like the spinning jenny and the steam engine transformed how people worked, traveled, and lived. Small villages exploded into bustling cities, and factories popped up everywhere, pumping out textiles, iron, and later, even electric light bulbs. Sure, it meant longer working hours and smoky skies, but it also brought railways, modern medicine, and the start of the weekend. By the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution had rapidly spread across the globe, turning the world into the fast-paced place we know today. So next time you hop on a train or flick a light switch on or off, thank those wild days of steam and steel.
I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Your support means the world to creators like me. If you enjoyed what you saw, hitting that like button is a simple way to show it. It helps the channel grow and reach more people who might enjoy this content. And subscribing? That's like joining a community where we can share ideas and experiences together. You'll be the first to know when new content drops, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, if you found value here, please consider liking and subscribing. It's a small action that makes a big difference. Thank you for being part of this journey.